You probably wouldn't expect this to start with cottage cheese. But once it hits the blender, it turns smooth, creamy, and honestly, kind of irresistible. And when it's topped with fresh chopped salad and scooped onto warm toasted bread, it feels like something completely different. Let's make it. Add cottage cheese to a blender, drop in a couple of peeled garlic cloves, add feta cheese straight in, no need to crumble it. Pour in olive oil, add fresh lemon zest for brightness and aroma. Squeeze in lemon juice. Drizzle in a little honey to balance the tang. Season with ground black pepper, dried oregano, and now blend until smooth and creamy. At first, it might look slightly textured. That's normal. Let it run a bit longer than you think, and then you'll see the change. It becomes thick, smooth, and almost fluffy, completely creamy with no graininess left. That's when it's ready. Now for the fresh salad layer, quarter cherry tomatoes. This works as an appetizer for your guest, a brunch addition, or even just a snack when you want something satisfying but still fresh. Dice cucumber into small even pieces. You can easily adjust the flavors too. Swap cilantro for dill. Add chopped olives, add roasted peppers instead of cherry tomatoes. The whipped cottage cheese base stays versatile. And the best part is how simple it is. Blend, chop, toast, assemble. No complicated steps, no long prep, just a few good ingredients layered the right way, and it all begins with cottage cheese. Thinly sliced red onion. If you haven't tried blending it before, this is the whipped cottage cheese dip recipe to start with. Now go, make it, and don't forget the first scoop. If you try this recipe, let me know how you top yours. I would love to hear what variations you come up with. Chop fresh cilantro. Add everything to a mixing bowl. Squeeze over fresh lemon juice. Add minced garlic. Sprinkle red pepper flakes. Season with salt. Now mix it well so everything is coated. Let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This short rest makes a difference. The salt draws moisture from the tomatoes, the lemon softens the onion, and the flavors begin to come together. While your salad rests, slice your baguette on a diagonal. Tangy from the whipped base, bright and juicy from the tomatoes, cool crunch from the cucumber, a little heat from chili oil, nutty texture from pistachios. Every layer has a purpose. Place them in a pan, drizzle with olive oil, and toast until golden and crispy on both sides. Let them develop real color. That crunch against that creamy dip is important. Once everything is ready, it's time to assemble. Spoon it onto a plate or a shallow bowl. Use the back of your spoon to spread it into an even layer. Spoon the fresh salad mixture directly over the whipped cottage cheese base. Spread it gently without pressing too hard. You still want that airy texture underneath. Drizzle with chili oil across the top. It adds warmth and beautiful color. Finish with chopped toasted pistachios. That final crunch brings everything together. And just like that, it's done. What started as a cottage cheese now feels layered, fresh, and a little special. Now take a toasted slice and scoop all the way down. Make sure you get both the creamy base and fresh toppings in one bite. That's the moment. Smooth. And if you enjoy simple, fresh recipes like this, make sure to subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.